Datayo na nga, maagang nasupalpal si Representative Leila de Lima ngayong araw sa impeachment trial. Hindi na pinagbigyan tapusin ni Presiding Officer Senator Cheese Escudero ang opening statement ni House Prosecutor Leila de Lima kaugnay ng unang articles of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara. Ayon kasi kay Escudero, ilang beses nang nagbabahagi ng conclusion of fact and law si Leila de Lima habang binabanggit ang kanyang opening statement. Bago pa lamang nagumpisa si Leila de Lima, nagbigay na ng babala si Escudero. Pero makulit, hayan, nasupalpal tuloy si De Lima. Heto ang video, panoorin natin.
I would like to remind the Honorable De Lima, if indeed she will make an opening statement, to kindly avoid conclusions of both fact and law, as we have previously agreed upon and raised by the defense in previous hearings, and as pointed out by several senator judges. With that conditionality, the Honorable De Lima may proceed with her opening statement.
Your Honor, may we comment on that matter?
Yes, what is the pleasure of Attorney Paul?
Your Honor, I'd like to apologize for having to comment on this matter, but as far as I recall, the presiding officer already made a ruling before against opening statements, Your Honors.
Again, I will be very conscious, Honorable De Lima, with respect to statements of fact and law that are not coming out from the mouth of any witnesses you will be presenting. So kindly be precise and short with respect to your opening statements.
Tama.
You may proceed, ma'am, subject to those reminders.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is about 5 minutes or a little more than 5 minutes.
No.
Mr. Senate President, Mr. Presiding Officer, Honorable Senator Judges, mga kababayan, magandang umaga po. Sa ating pagbabudget para sa pamilya, dahil hindi naman unli ang pera, masinop ang ating paggasta sa talagang kailangan at kapakipakinabang natin nilalaan. Ganyan din dapat sa pondo ng bayan. Sa yugtong ito ng paglilitis, pag-uusapan natin ang confidential funds. Ito ang budget para sa mga sensitibo at surveillance-related activities upang suportahan ang mandato ng mga civilian agencies. That a budget is intended for confidential operations does not mean that the conduct of the officials involved in the handling of people's money is exempted from the demands of transparency, scrutiny, and accountability. Public office is a public trust. Yan ang sabi ng konstitusyon.
Yun naman talaga.
Sakop nito ang lahat na nasa gobyerno. At ang utos na yan ay hindi pwedeng balewalain dahil confidential lang o confidential ang pondo. Ang confidentiality ay para protektahan ang lehitimong operasyon at informant. Hindi ito pahintulot para mag-imbento ng pangalan at dokumento. Hindi ito palusot para ibulsa ang pera. Kung confidential ang pondo, lalo pa ngang mataas ang pananagutang kaakibat nito. The Constitution entrusts
Lahat
this
po may
court with the solemn
confidential.
duty to determine whether the respondent Vice President committed culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft
Ayan
and
na.
corruption
Your Honors,
and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission
I
of
apologize to-
the Honorable De Lima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors,
Respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima to
another-
kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already,
Yes.
which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
60 seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at
Yes.
nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Tama.
Honorable Delima,
Again, with all
kindly
due
wind up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you're faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable Delima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because
Yes,
this is
but
supposed
Ay,
to
ganun
be
talaga.
It is the
of the
court's
case,
position
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable
Hindi
Delima.
naman kayo bida dyan eh.
I submit to your honors, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability
Same
o
objection.
sumusaway sa pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan?
Makulit.
Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was
Yan na
that
naman.
trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials,
Nagkakoniklod
by
agad eh.
press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makitang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your
Simple
Honor.
Honorable regular.
I would have to stop you. I would have to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your
Diba?
Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Kindly call your witness, Representative Chua.
Nagko-conclude na kasi agad si De Lima na may irregularidad sa Office of the Vice President, betrayal of public trust, nasa impeachment trial nga kayo eh. Kailangan yung witness, yung ebidensya ninyo magpapatunay na ganito, yung ibinibinta nyo kay VP Sara, ganito siya. Hindi yung magko-conclude agad kayo, may irregularidad. Agad-agad. De Lima at ang mga prosecution team, hindi po kayo ang bida dito. Kailangan yung patunayan. Yung mga ibinibintang ninyo kay VP Sara ay totoo na siya ay corrupt. Kaso wala pa kayong napapatunayan. Tapos ngayon, magsasalita kayo ng ganyan sa inyong opening statement. Hindi nyo pa napapatunayan ng bagnanakaw si VP Sara. So wala kayong karapatan na magsasabi ng kung ano-ano dyan. Sayang, napakagaling mo pa naman mag-deliver ng speech. Yung mga intonations mo, ang galing. Kaso, nga, pinigilan ka ni Presiding Officer Escudero. The Presiding Officer already ruled. Pero ito si De Lima, dire-diretso pa din. Nakakahiya, Leila De Lima. Abogado ka pa naman pero hindi mo alam yung rules. Hindi po pwede yan, Leila De Lima, yung emotional conclusions. Hindi po yan kina-consider sa impeachment court. O kaya ngayon, napatigil ka sa iyong sasabihin, sa iyong pagkahaba-habang sasabihin na opening statement, ayan, napututuloy, naudlot. Kasi hindi na po pwede yan. So ngayon, puntos para kay Attorney Michael Powa. Baka sabihin na naman ninyo, napigilan na naman ng inyong freedom of speech. Hindi na po pwede yan pag-usapang batas na po. Kaya sa pagharap na ito ni Attorney Michael Powa at Leila De Lima, kitang-kita kung sino ang mas matalino na abogado. Ano bang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.